Hey, you. Yeah, you. Ever felt like your phone has a mind of its own? Have you ever picked up your phone just to check one thing, maybe a quick message or a notification, and boom, an hour is gone? You look up and wonder where all that time went. Ever wondered why you feel anxious, exhausted, or even empty after scrolling through social media? It's like a never-ending cycle. Well, my friend, it's not just you. Millions of people feel the same way. Social media is designed to control your mind, hijack your time, and manipulate your emotions. It's a powerful tool, but it can be dangerous. But today, we're taking your life back. It's time to reclaim your time and energy. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to break free and reclaim your focus, happiness, and peace of mind. Let's get started. Social media isn't just an app. It's a powerful tool designed to keep you hooked. Big tech companies literally hire the smartest minds in psychology to build algorithms that exploit your brain's reward system. Every time you get a like or a comment, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical triggered by gambling or drugs. It feels good, so you keep coming back. And just like that, you're addicted. But here's the worst part. Social media isn't just taking your time, it's messing with your mental health. Let's talk facts. Studies show that heavy social media use is linked to higher levels of anxiety, depression, and loneliness. The more time you spend online, the more likely you are to feel isolated and disconnected from real life. And it's no surprise, you're constantly bombarded with bodies, vacations, relationships, while you're sitting at home in sweatpants. This constant comparison can make you feel like you're not good enough. But here's the truth. It's all a highlight reel. People only post the best moments, not the real struggles. What you see is a curated version of reality. Not only that, but doom scrolling floods your brain with negativity, bad news, drama, and online fights, all increasing your stress levels and making you feel powerless. This constant exposure to negative content can have a serious impact on your mental health. But don't worry, we're not just here to talk about the problem. Let's get to the solution. There are ways to manage your social media use and improve your mental well-being. If social media is controlling you, it's time to fight back. Here's how. Step 1. Set time limits. Use screen time apps or built-in settings to limit your daily social media use. These tools can help you become more aware of how much time you're spending online and encourage you to take breaks. You'll be shocked at how much time you actually save. Imagine all the things you could do with those extra hours. Step 2. Curate your feed, unfollow toxic accounts, clean up your social media environment by removing negativity and focusing on content that brings you joy. Follow pages that inspire you instead of making you feel like you're not enough. Surround yourself with positivity and motivation. Step 3. Digital detox. Try deleting social media apps for a day, a weekend, or even a whole month. Disconnect to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Give your brain a break and see how much better you feel. The mental clarity and peace you gain will be worth it. Step 4. Replace scrolling with real-life activities. Read a book, go for a walk, start a hobby, or actually talk to people in real life. Engage in activities that enrich your life and bring you joy. Your brain will thank you. The benefits of real-life interactions are immeasurable. Step 5. Turn off notifications. Those constant pings, they're designed to pull you back in. Notifications are engineered to keep you hooked and distracted. Turn them off and reclaim your focus. Take control of your attention and be present in the moment. Now, it's your turn. I challenge you. Yes, you, to take control. Start with just one of these steps today. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're trying first. Remember, social media should serve you, not the other way around. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more life-changing content. Let's break free and live life on our terms. Now let's move on and discuss benefits of reducing screen time. Let's talk about the benefits of reducing social media usage. When you cut down on your screen time, you open up a world of possibilities. You can focus better, feel less stressed, and even improve your sleep. Imagine having more time for hobbies, spending quality moments with loved ones, and experiencing life without the constant digital noise. Reducing social media usage can lead to a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. So take that first step today and see the positive changes unfold. Now that you know the benefits, let's dive into some practical tips for digital well-being. First, create a designated phone-free zone in your home. This could be your bedroom, dining area, or any space where you want to be fully present. Second, schedule tech-free times during your day. Use this time to engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Third, be mindful of your social media habits. Reflect on how certain apps or accounts make you feel and adjust your usage accordingly. Remember, it's all about finding a balance that works for you. Let's hear some success stories of people who have embraced digital detox. Meet Sarah, who decided to take a month-long break from social media. She found herself more focused at work, reconnected with old hobbies, and even started a new fitness routine. Then there's John, who limited his social media use to just 30 minutes a day. He reported feeling less anxious and more in control of his time. These stories show that taking a step back from social media can lead to incredible personal growth and well-being. So, why not give it a try? In this segment, we turn to experts to understand the science and psychology behind digital detox. Dr. Emily Roberts, a psychologist specializing in digital well-being, explains how constant social media use can overstimulate our brains and lead to anxiety and depression. She highlights the importance of setting boundaries and taking regular breaks to maintain mental health. Next, we hear from tech expert Alex Johnson, who discusses the role of app design in keeping us hooked. He shares tips on how to outsmart these designs, such as turning off notifications and using apps that track and limit screen time. Finally, nutritionist Lisa Green talks about the physical benefits of reducing screen time, including better sleep and reduced eye strain. She emphasizes the importance of a holistic approach to well-being that includes both mental and physical health. These insights from professionals provide a well-rounded understanding of why digital detox is not just beneficial, but essential for a balanced life. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.